Yeah. My face again. This means yet another episode of STENA. Big X is chilling and you are watching STENA. Namhlanje, you know. Anzanga namongi mali. I came with 100% juice. Ukhona lozobethwa ngeSTENA namhlanje. I'm too ready. Stay tuned. After the break, we bring you the 100% juice. Not to mongi mali, not to fusion. Siabuya. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Yeah, Spindesa Buya, and namhlanje we have a very juicy story. And ithe xa ndiyifunda man ndaqonda kwenzeka ntoni pha eMjolville apha eSouth Africa man. There's something wrong with uMjolville land wase-South Africa. We're gonna call on our first guest namhlanje akasixelele man ba kwenzeka ntoni. And I can't wait for you to see lena namhlanje yenzeka. Andikwazi nothetha English, kunzima. Lee, kamzise man, Lee. My brother.
Sure.
Ugrand.
Shabuzito.
Namiyaphila njaya. And ndibonile man usibhalela ndayifunda lento and I was going through it. I'm like, "Oh, okay. There's something up, but like ababukeli path, I'm sure they are waiting to hear what's going on. Can you tell us why you are here and what's really going on?"
Sure bafu kamalam asanda. Ndinzise abafethi sisazela mana uthiyabo sendendenze kumjita wami. So kunyawuthama kwenzekile indlela kwenzeke ngayo naqhubela senshaya imedia yakhe umjita yabona.
Oh, okay. Utyiwa sisazela soba man ngumjita wakho lo. How long have you known umjita?
Yeah, umjita, so we've been friends for almost 3 years right now. Right
now. I understand nje. I mean, I thank you for coming out. Usixelele lonto ba man uye watyiwa sisazela. One thing I have to ask you kengo. Would you still like to continue dating this girl after letting him know? Okanye kuzakwenzeka ntoni?
Yeah, bafu kona Uchiria, I'd like to
yeah, madoda isibindi. Uzomxelela umjita and you still want to tell him ba okay, you want to continue necherry yakhe.
Yeah, isatso ngimxelele kaloku uqala ukubana ndifuna uqhubekeka naye imidi ningasazifihla kwakhona.
Oh, awufuna uzifihla, ufuna uqhubekeka. Yo. Bethuna isibindi eSouth Africa is on maximum levels. Sizawuye breaking nje quick 1-2-1-2. Xa sibuya man sizaniphathela omnye okule equation. I can't wait. Gugu X ongasolveki lo X plus Y is equal to you know the vibes. Big X is chilling and you are watching STENA Siabuya. Sabuya bendinixelele mos before we went to the break ba kuzakwenzeka nje 100% juice, the way it's gonna be juicy. And apha sinobhuti esixelele ba man utyiwa sisazela kuba uthe xa yesithi wenjenje impazamo wazibona sephathi kwamathanga medium mjita wakhe. Mistake xa yesitsho. One thing maybe you didn't know, we've managed to get your friend Simzisa Peshowini, so ulapha ngoku, and I want you to tell him what you told me. I figure up. You understand, my brother?
Yeah.
Okay. Lee, come this. Molo buthi.
Sure.
Kunjani?
Hayi sure.
Nami ndiyaphila man. Maybe you might be wondering why you lapha nez cameras and everything, ne? But on some, I'm sure uyamazi lo muntu lapha.
Hayi kamthi.
Uyamazi obviously. Impintsha yakho.
Hayi impintsha.
So man ningabe ndiyitsala nokuthi mandikubuze nje igama. What's your name?
Tepo.
All right. Tepo. Tepo, your friend here has something to tell you, yabo? And I wouldn't like to break it down myself. He's gonna tell you the reason why ulap. So the floor is yours, my brother.
Sure. Fanag, sure. Wafa. Awuthi kunento ekumele ngikwazi yona mfethu yabo. Since December last year. Mina noNthabeling sishaya nje. No bona ndoda.
Ay shapo uring shapo mun.
Yeah,
Nthabeling uring.
Yeah, fethu.
Nthabeling ithiriya
kwamfethu. That's why ngibizile awuthi ngifuna ukwazisa writing phakathi phambi kwamakhamera ukuthi mina nechiri yakho since sizithola from December last year. And awuthi ukuthi ngitelele and stuff, but then ngifuna ukwazisa because ngifuna siyenze official nayo get like
madoda
uring mun official mina wona like ithiriya kamfethu because sompoto official ndithatha naka yotse mun
mamela phela awuthi
ay sha ditho million emanyana ditho million
kalo nizama ukuxelela futhi nizama ukuexplainela ukuthi wenzele ntoni yabo. Yeah, dating iqale last year ngoDecember bonke
zwa umputhe nakoma
athi ama details onke uzowathola mara
umputhe no sikamputheni
moya phela
calm down a little bit. Bethuna nizawunidi security apha ngathi kuzaba nzima.
Emanyana sikaditsena wena emabose gona ke emanyana wena uringwe
ndithi mfethu. So it was ngoDecember and then ushiri bekadinga iassistance yakho.
Assistant mina ngicela ukukhona umthusha
ungakhona ukumsiza wena ngani bongaspani la.
Okay nemfethu. Makancane nje yami incane. Hlala la leyo bit hlala la. Kunzima bethuna andiyazi.
No
Kanti ngade bethuna man. Hey.
Bona.
Mangaliwa. Imakancane bhuti ngicela nje uhlisa umoya. I understand. Umngani wakho ne girlfriend yakho they hey. Ebafondini andiyazi noma manthini is like the temperatures are very very high. Well, let's just take a break. Xa sibuya usisu lapha, that's the good thing. Usisu lapha xa sibuya usisu uzazoziphendulela bethuna sisaye breaking siyabuya ndiyancancazela kunzima. Siyabuya we are coming back. Oh my lord. Thuna bekunzima nizibonele sibuyile but ke asizuyishiya. Are we not gonna leave it hanging? We must get to the bottom of this. Makwenzeka ntoni kanye ngubani lo bambetha ngeSTENA? We know bangubani lo bambetha ngeSTENA, but masizivele man. Usisi is here. Ulapha naye andiyazi bakuza njani. Li kamzise mntasekhaya kakawuchophe ngapha masekhaya sit decide. Sakubona my sister, right?
Ndiyaphila njani?
Nami ndiyaphila mntasekhaya. Igama lakho ngubani? Mthabeleng. Okay. Mthabeleng uyamazi lo bhuti?
Ewe ndiyamazi.
Yintoni ku?
Ibi boyfriend yami.
Uthi ubuyi boyfriend yakhe, which means she says you are an ex now. Did you guys break up? No again?
I know sike buhlobane naye le ntro. Like it's umthelo umthwaka. Yabona. So already na ex ngakitsebe udinsa.
So she has never said ba nohlukene. Sisi uthi ubhutizanga no.
Ke mathomo ke tseba ka mkho a ke tsebe re diragalang leng a ke tsebe.
Explain why you said nohlukene, like did you guys make it official that you are breaking up okanye wavele wazibonela ba no mandimshi?
Not really. Xesha lakhe liphelile.
But your time is up. As long as John Cena, your time is up. No. I try call him now. Lenz inhlekisa. Uyamazi ubhutilo?
Ewe ndiyamazi.
Awancuma. Kutheni uncuma kangaka? Ikhona into eyenzekayo?
Ewe.
Okay. So, how long have you been guys doing this behind his back? Because you guys never officially broke up. You just decided, no, you're gonna break up with him.
I think it's about months now.
So it's a couple of months, ne?
Couple of months.
Yeah. I can go with months, jwang. How many months?
About 5 to 6 months. In jam ndiyacela but kamamele.
Utsibile foka knife ka nomtho. Ongusha. La tshetse be fokol. Utsibile foka knife ka nna. Aketsoro wire 5 jwang.
Uthi was a fork knife ngenxa yakhe inyani le.
Ewe kaloku ke ngoku ukhona umuntu ozayibhatalela ifork knife. Awusakwazi.
Oh ka rene ke lose mereko no.
You have, and your dressing sense is just.
So uziva kanjani when you see your friend this hurt? How do you feel? Just give him a chance to explain.
But then the situation is cool. I had to tell him eventually because very busy for man.
So when usafuna uqhubekeke, it's not like jonga mfethu, I made a mistake with your girlfriend, it's not going to happen again. When what you are saying is you want to make this official and then iqhubekeke in front of him.
Yeah, ngifuna uqhubekeka ne blessings zakho because
you want your blessings.
I can see room trouble like I can see blessing changare. Na ke tseba ngwana election ya.
Awusabereka. You want us to lie in bed the whole day. You can't provide food. You can't buy me a cell phone. I mean, he buys me hair.
Hey, I'm so sorry. I'm just caught up on that part. You wanna lie in bed the whole day. Uyayithanda inyova.
Zinto zakhe ufry ama chips.
Sure.
Akaphangeli nophangela.
Kodwa akasebenzi kodwa isebenzisa ukufa le lapha kuye.
I community or no. We did a plan again. So yeah, no, so case no.
Plan is not gonna pay for my nails.
But mntakwethu, I understand my sister, but like I feel like it's unfair dumping someone because they lost their job.
I know, but then it's not only their job, it's he's changed.
So what is he providing that Uputi does not provide?
A lot of things.
Yo, ndlela le uthetha ngayo uyancuma
Yeah,
I was comfortable with
mamela out there. Yabona ngule situation esikuyo uyazi ukuthi kwamnandi ngibusy ngiyaplanisela ngiyaphandela ukuthi nawe ugcinile eventually uthole.
But I want to know.
He's saying he's trying something.
Aloku nale ndaba yoba uhlala nomamakho andithandi mina.
Yo!
Lento ba uhlala nomamakho faneke ndimane
bathi uhlele yedwa xa esiya pha kuye uba ne freedom atambe ngazi adoma pha makhona, but xa yekuwe funeka mane ezifihla because you stay with your mother. That's what she's saying, not me. You understand? She's saying that's a huge problem. She says you can't be independent on your own, Njaya. But it sounds unfair to me.
But I've always known gore like mapedi vele barata bomma, so I understand. But now it's different.
Sure. And I know Mantini, Puti, let me just ask you, what attracted you to e-girlfriend? Can you pen a manzi, please? Can you pen a manzi? What attracted you to e-girlfriend?
No.
Wait, come nigga chance so that you understand.
Yabona mfethu benze apha ntindindi ngizoyimela inqala yakho kodwa andizophathwa nguwe kanje ke awuzoniphatha hlobo.
Utsana kara katena ka utsa carrot yaka wona no umputsa uri ngwana mun.
Uphendula umbuzo wakho na Tax. Lo mntana lo mfethu. There are a lot of things.
You are out of words.
Yeah, umchita like bethole i-challenge trend
yeah.
Kwasho ukuthi umchita bekadlala ngamatshe while there was a diamond in front. So
okay.
Mina bengazi i-challenge trend since yabo azomchita but umchita bekadlala around yabo. So ngingafuni ukuthi agcine lo chera azokuhlungu.
Cool down. I understand. So when I mean sister, you don't.
When you understand, and I can understand.
That's a valid point. I understand you don't understand. I'm not gonna argue with that. But let me just ask a few questions so that we conclude this whole thing. So when I mean sister, you are saying you are done with him. You are no longer. You don't want anything with him. Let me just ask you one thing. Ne? You said you are uthando mdavazo. How is his performance per empathy? Him.
Andikwazi uyithetha because
unomsini.
Hayi uyohluleka but ke ungumuntu naye. So ku 10 ndingamnika 3. Andithethi kakubi phofu but now uyayibona uyayazi kudala ndixolela mas uba music house
anamazwi words are not coming out like the way she started it's like anfuno ithetha. It's like she was about to say something nice. Music house banginika u3 but 3 is not bad. It's not bad.
At
least yazam. Okay, 1
out of 10.
Yeah, man, even if it's 3 out of 10. One thing, Uputilona, how is he?
You know, there's a saying about yellow bones. You know those guys that are yellow and the dark ones.
Oh, so he's yellow and he's dark. You know, it's done. It's understandable. I did not say anything, but me personally, I get it. Njayam, just a few words of advice. If they are saying you are 3 out of 10, I would like you to take it in, accept it, maybe see where you can improve. But if you don't believe you are a 3 out of 10, there's no need, mama, to improve it. Anyway, what I would say to you, this girl is happy where she is. Look at him, look at
that's the time, you're not telling me.
Akufuni awufunwa udethwa ngesTENA ngokunasa ebusweni
uthathe go man uthathe go utsene kateni yaka ajay carrot atsebori
bona ndo
ingaske le STENA ne usithathe uzakhele iroom phaphange kwamamakho.
andiyazi Mantini. Stop rubbing salt into the wound. Yeka lento yenzayo. Let me paint you what really went on. Ityiwa yona itswa izaphatha yona nto ukuthi isiphatha sonke but ke akhonde bitheni. Let me just tell you let me paint you what happened so that you understand. Let me ndinika nje chance. Mntakwethu usisiza lo i-girlfriend yakho lo muntu obucinga ba uzaba ngumama abantwana bakho lo muntu obumthanda. You know what happened? Ba textile badibene apho badibana khona, which is I don't know. And also now as umshida be explainele bakwenzeke ntoni ne. And then they went to his place. Abefika phaya bahlala phansi bancokola. After uncokola baphathwa sisithukuthezi and they kissed each other. After kissing each other into yenzekileyo ukuthi khangelwe kwi-drawers balahlene ebhedini bafuna ni-condoms. Afumana i-condoms ukhona iqaqileyo phakathi kwabo. Umshita lo wayithatha wayifaka waphinda wayikhupha waphinda wayifaka wayikhupha and then i-girlfriend yakhe ithe xa iphuma for the other time waphinda u-girlfriend wakho lo waphinda wayifaka ngokwakhe. Do you understand what really went down? I'm trying to make you see that there's no use for you to keep begging, Jayam. Let it go. It happened. Think about those things. Move on.
Yakumbula la chomi yam ubusithi is not bad. She's not bad. ningafanelana naye.
Hi, you are even suggesting him.
Bongalo bayafanelana ne dress codes zabo zi.
Babukeli, I have no words. So you guys wanna continue, Naland?
I wanna say something.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Please,
I'm sorry about this whole situation. It just
call.
Ibingazusebenza anyway.
Ayojana gore go tsharele.
Uzamfumana umuntu. Uzawuphola.
Ningijwa nokoma.
Hila buti.
She's saying she's sorry, Jaya, and I feel very sorry, and nomjita no sorry, but inhliziyo yakhe wants what it wants, and inhliziyo yakhe ifuna girlfriend yakhe. There's nothing he can do. You understand? So I would like you to please move on, Jaya, and I wish you all the best in your relationship, Nina, and I wish you find happiness, Jaya. Please, even though back there taking STENA right now, but at some point kuzawulunga. Babukeli, that was yet another beautiful episode of STENA. I'm your host, Big Xhosa, Big X, whatever you want to call me. Yeah. The temperatures were very high, but I want to thank my brother for coming and telling us what's going on. Thank you, Sisi, and now Poti. I wish you all the best. Big X is chilling. You've been watching STENA. Next time, Sabonan.